welcome back to another tutorial. And in today's video, as you saw by title, I'm going to show you guys how to teleport to your next level when you walk through a doorway or when you get to the end of your level. Now this is just an easy way to load up maps. There's two ways you can do it. I'm going to show you the easiest way. There's another way where you can add in a trigger box and then go into level blueprints and say on event begin overlap, load level, and you type in the name of the level. But it's easier to just use the teleport scene. Today's video was suggested by Tori Shoulders. I am sorry if I pronounced that name wrong, but here's your tutorial on how to do the teleporting. And once again, if you guys have any questions, make sure to drop them in the comments down below, and I will make sure I answer them. Whether it's in the comments or in a video. So, it's pretty simple. First thing, what you're going to need is you're going to need two maps. So right here, we're on testing map. I'll just save that actually. We're on testing map, and if we go under maps, you can see I have a bunch here. You can see test. So now this is the map we want to load into. So as you can see, I already set up like a little demo thing, as I always do. So you can see what it's going to be like in the end, and then I show you how to set it up. So if we run on over here, past all of the other things, right here, open up the door, walk through, and then it loads us into the level. So basically, if it loads you into the next level, that means it worked. If you're wondering what this texture is, that texture is actually mPortal. So you can just go into your content browser, drag it in. There you go, and you got that weird like texture thing. It's pretty cool. So the first thing you're gonna want is the door. Obviously, you gotta walk through something. So we're gonna do door underscore in for door inward. Then we're gonna want to grab door inward, and we're just very fast. Okay, you're gonna move it up so that it's not going through the ground. Then what you want is you're gonna want obviously the thing you're gonna use to teleport. So you're gonna want to type in tel, and then at the bottom you're gonna see BP teleport scene. Now you're gonna drag this into your level. This is actually what's gonna teleport us to our level, our next level. So what you want to do is you want to rotate it, depending on where the door is, lift it up, and you'll see the reason why I rotate it is because you can see this little dot. This little dot here needs to be in front of the door. So if we're walking in this way, then this dot needs to be right here. So that means that this box is actually what's gonna, I don't know if you can see it, there's like a yellow outline box here. That's actually what's gonna trigger the code line to teleport us. So you want to make sure that this dot here is outside of the door and this box here is on the inside of the door. Pretty easy. Then you want to drag it over to the box, or not the box, the door. You want to drag the box over to the door, just like that. Drag it in, just like that. I only drag it in so you don't have to walk in very far, but you want it so that the yellow line ends before it passes through. And once again, the box is back here, the dot is in front, so you have to make sure that this is where you walk into. And just to make sure, I will actually just grab what I have made from here. You're probably going to have walls around it. I mean, really, why wouldn't you have walls? You know what I mean? I accidentally copied a teleport scene. Okay, that's fine. So we'll just grab what we copied and bring it over here. And if you're wondering how I'm multi-selecting, you just hold down Shift and then you can click on something and it'll multi-select it. It's the same as like File Manager or File Explorer or something. You just hold down Shift and Shift click, and you can select multiple things at once. And there you go. So now you can see the actual part where we're... Hello? What was that? Alright, here you go. You can see, now we have that. Oh, that's okay. So, this is a common issue. So, when you load into levels, it's going to basically save your game. Or if you have a neighbor in the game, like I said, it's going to save your game. So, an easy way to fix that is you won't actually be able to see what I'm going to do because, one, it's my files. I don't want you seeing my files. Two, the thing I'm using to record doesn't actually record more than one window. So what you're going to want to do is go down here, any object, doesn't really matter, just make sure it's not a folder, right click, click on under Explorer, you're going to click on Show in Explorer, then it's going to open up your file manager. You're going to want to head over and click on Hello Neighbor at the top, you're going to click on at the bottom Saved, then you're going to open up Saved Games and delete everything in that folder. And then, once you've done that, we can click play. And as you can see, it's reset us. Run over real quick. And there you go. Everything's updated. So now as you can see, we walk in, nothing happens. Well, we have to make it so it knows what, like what level to load. Right now, it's just a box that you can walk through. There's nothing actually There's nothing actually going on. So you want to click on it. You can just click on the dot. That's the easiest way to select the teleporter. Then go under teleport scene. Go name scene, and you're gonna want to type in the name of your level. So for us, it's gonna be test. So test. And then here we go. We'll click play. And if everything goes good, should be able to teleport into our next level when we walk through here now. Ready? And there you go. That's it. It's pretty simple. Like I said, you only need two things. You need a door, and actually, you only need one thing. All you need is a teleport scene, and yeah, you can put it in the door if you want to. Just make sure that where the dot is the actual area you're going to be walking in from. So that's why you want it in front of the door. So you don't want to be walking in from the back because that could mess it up. So you want it to go so you're walking this way into the door, into the area where the dot is. So with that being said, I want to thank you guys for watching. Break out that mod kit and start modding. Yo!